Hello dear students, very good evening to all of you. Welcome to class 17 of the Chakravyuh series, where we are going to discuss today MCQs from the chapter Biomolecules. Okay, so I hope that all of you would have prepared this chapter and you would be answering this like you answered in morning. Okay, so students, let's get started. Let me just let me just see some of the students to join. After that we can start. Okay, yes, okay, just a minute, we can have some more students. After that we can start. Okay, let me first share this with you. Can hello Srinivas, good evening to you. One second, students, please share and let some other students join, then we can start, so that it will be interactive and we all can do lot of practice questions on this particular chapter. One second, just a minute. Okay, so yes, many students have already come. So Almond, Dev and Jyotika, Janika, Vaibhav, Ashwin, all of you, very good evening. So students, let's start. Okay, and I want full josh. Everyone should answer by seeing the questions with question number, and you have to give yourself score, and at the end of the session I will ask you how much did you score. Okay, so all the students, let's get started. Hi Ashwin, hi Vaibhav, good evening beta. Fine. So let's go from backwards. Okay, I have got a lot of questions for you to practice, but yes, this is a very scoring topic, so you won't face much difficulty in these questions. Let us start with the first question here. Yes, good evening everyone. Please see the first question and answer it. Let everyone join. And yes, Srinivas, you can watch our 60 out of 60 series, and that will help you to understand the whole concept of the chapter. Okay, yes Vaibhav, there will be supplementary exam definitely. Okay, please answer the first question now. In the acylation of glucose, which group is involved in the reaction? Okay, so when we are doing the acylation, CHO group is involved, or CO group is involved, or the alcoholic OH group is involved, or all of this is there. Alman, in master stroke class we are doing one shot videos for KSET, and we'll also be solving some questions. Okay, yes, acetylation of glucose. I am not getting correct answer from anyone for this question. Nobody has answered correctly this one. Acetylation, when you do acetyl, see, this is the structure of glucose, right? Okay, so here you have OH, here you have OH, then here you have OH, and here you have OH, right? So now what happens when you do acetylation? This group is converted to OCOCH3. Okay, OCOCH3 conversion takes place. So that is why the correct answer for this question, this O group changes to OCOCH3. Okay, so acetylation takes place for the alcoholic OH group, that is option number C. Okay, no, those who are saying A, D, that is wrong. Correct answer is option number C. Okay, alcoholic OH group gets acetylated during this reaction. Okay, next question number 69. In fibrous proteins, the polypeptide chains are held together by. In polypeptide or in fibrous proteins, the polypeptide chains are held together by. What is the thing that held this polypeptide chains together? What will be the answer for this question? Okay. Next question, very simple. Students, please answer with the question number. Okay, with the question number you have to answer so that I can know you are answering to which question. The polypeptide chains are held together by hydrogen bonds. Okay, option number C is the correct answer here. Good evening, ASH31OP, something is there. 68 question. Which of the following B group vitamins can be stored in our body? This is also important question. You know, vitamin B is generally water soluble, but there is one vitamin B which can be stored in the human body. It is not water soluble. So can you see which one? Tell me. Can you guess which is that one? Whether it is B1, B2, B6 or B12. Yes, you can take a random guess also here. Srinivas is saying 68D. Yes, absolutely correct dear. 68 is D. Vitamin B12, please remember, is water insoluble. Okay, so it is stored in the body. Next, 67. Vegetable oils like wheat gram oil, sunflower oil are the good source of which vitamin? Okay, so this is also very important question for vitamins. You should study about the sources and study about its sources and its deficiency disease. Okay, so yes, Almas, you are correct. Dev N, all of you are correct here. What is the answer for this question? Vegetable oils are the source of. Yes, that no, 67D, no Dev, that is wrong. They are the source of vitamin E. Okay, all the vegetable oils, please remember, these are the source of vitamin E. Okay, next, moving to question number 66. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin which? So you have to find out anemia is a deficiency disease caused by which vitamin? B6, B1, B2 or B12. Okay. Yes, 67 is B. Lakshmi, you are correct. Next question, 66, can you answer? Anemia is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Yes, students, please share the video with all your friends so that more people can join and we can solve the question much more interestingly. Okay. 66 is also correct here by Dev N. Yes, anemia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin B12. Correct answer is option number D. Next, 65. Among the following vitamins, the one whose deficiency cause rickets. Okay, which vitamin will cause rickets deficiency? Yes, rickets will be caused by which deficiency? Yes, Almas, you are correct. Let's move to question number 65 and can you answer this one quickly? Yes. Yes, vitamin D will cause rickets. That is the correct answer. Okay, so all of you have answered it correctly. Move to 64th question. Which of the following terms refer to the overall three-dimensional shape of a protein? Okay, which of the following terms refers to the overall three-dimensional shape of the protein? In which case there is three-dimensional shape of the protein? Primary structure, secondary structure or tertiary structure or quaternary structure? Three-dimensional proper shape of the protein is given by which structure? 64C, no Dave. It is not tertiary, it is quaternary structure. Okay, quaternary structure gives you about the three-dimensional particular arrangement of the molecule. Okay, overall shape of the molecule or protein is given by quaternary structure. Yes, Kushi is correct here. Next, question number 63. Coagulation of protein is known as? Coagulation of protein is known as dehydration, decay, deamination or denaturation. Yes, 64, all of you are giving correct answer. Next question, 63. Coagulation of protein is known as? Yes, Dev correct. Again, first Dev, denaturation is the correct answer. 62. Tertiary structure of protein arises due to folding of polypeptide chain, folding, coiling and bonding of polypeptide chain, linear sequence of amino acid in polypeptide chain, denatured proteins. Yes, 62. Tertiary structure of protein is due to. No, Almas, denaturation is wrong here. Sorry, Almas, for 63 it is correct. 62, what will be the answer? Yes, 62B, Ata, your Rahman is correct. Folding, coiling and boiling of polypeptide chain. Okay. 61. Secondary structure of protein is mainly governed by. So, secondary structure of protein is mainly governed by disulfide bond, ionic bond, covalent bond or hydrogen bond. Very simple question, very easy one this one. Chidananda, yes, 62 is correct. Next we can move to 61 question. Answer this quickly. Yes, who can answer me this one? Whether it is hydrogen bond, covalent bond, ionic bond or yes, let me see, so many answers are there, but which is the correct one? There is a confusion between A and D. Yes, the correct answer is disulfide bonds. Okay, for secondary structure it is mostly because of disulfide bonds. Okay, next question number 60. Helical structure of protein is stabilized by. Helical structure of protein is stabilized by. Helical structure, you know, alpha helix and beta pleated sheets are formed, right? So, helical structure of protein are stabilized by. I have got only one answer here. Yes, 60B is the correct answer. Helical structures are governed by your hydrogen bond. Okay, so alpha helical structures you should remember. Next, primary structure of a protein. What is the answer for this one? Primary structure of protein. Sequence in which alpha amino acids are linked to one another. Sequence in which the amino acids of one polypeptide chain are joined to other chain. The folding patterns of polypeptide chain, the pattern in which the polypeptide chains are arranged. Okay, so tell me, you know that in protein there are four structures like primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure and quaternary structure. So what will be your primary structure? It tells you about what? If you have, yes, this is very easy question, students. Come on, come on. So 59C. No, Kushi. 59 is A. Okay, the primary structure tells you about the alpha amino acids that are linked to one another. So if the primary sequence is disturbed, the protein function also gets disturbed. Okay, so that is why the correct answer is option number A. Next, we will go to 58 question. Denaturation of protein leads to the loss of its biological activity by. We know what is denaturation of protein. So, denaturation causes the loss of formation of amino acids, loss of primary structure, loss of both primary and secondary structure, loss of both secondary and tertiary structure. Denaturation happens when you change the pH, when you change the temperature, okay, or when you change the conditions. So, in that case, the protein loses its biological activity, and that is something called as denaturation of protein. So, now denaturation of protein, in that case, what exactly happens? Yes, Kushi is correct. Loss of both secondary and tertiary structure. And remember, primary structure remains intact in this denaturation case. 57. Which of the following statements is or are correct? Glucose is a reducing sugar, sucrose is a reducing sugar, maltose is a non-reducing sugar, lactose is a reducing sugar. So you know reducing sugars are those sugars which can reduce the tolerance reagent and Felling's reagent, okay, and they should have a free aldehyde group for in their structure. So if there is no free aldehyde group, then there will be no reaction, but if there is a free aldehyde group, there will be reaction. So what will happen here? Anyone can guess me and tell me the correct answer? Okay. Yes, strength of the students are very less today. Why? Okay, so students, please remember every day 6 p.m. there will be class for Chakravyuh series. MCQ practice will be there, so do not miss, okay, at any condition. 57D, no. See, sucrose is a reducing sugar is wrong, so option number 2 is incorrect. So whichever option number 2 is there, we can remove that too, right? Next, maltose, all the monosaccharides, okay, monosaccharides are reducing sugars, okay. So if you know maltose is a monosaccharide, but it is a non-reducing, it is also wrong. So correct are 1 and 4, that is option number C, okay. 57C is the correct answer. Next question, number 56. Which of the following monosaccharides are present as 5-membered cyclic structure, furanose structure? You know what is the structure of furanose? This is the structure of furanose. So like this 5-membered ring, which one is present? So you know glucose is not present and galactose is not present because they are 6-membered ring. So the answer here has to be ribose and fructose, that is 1 and 3. So the correct answer for this question will be option number B, okay. I hope all of you have got this. Next, moving to question number 55, okay. Which one of the following statement is correct about sucrose? So sucrose, you know what is sucrose? Sucrose is a disaccharide, okay, disaccharide, and it is made up of, so it can reduce Tollens reagent, however cannot reduce Felling's reagent. You have to find the correct statement. Next, it undergoes mutarotation like glucose and fructose. It undergoes inversion in the configuration on hydrolysis. It is a levorotatory in nature. So generally, see, sucrose is dextrorotatory, but what it happens here is it undergoes when sucrose divides, okay, when sucrose divides or it undergoes hydrolysis, it forms glucose and fructose. Now glucose is dextrorotatory and fructose is levorotatory, and fructose levorotatory is more than the dextrorotatory of glucose. So that is why after hydrolysis the solution becomes levorotatory, but initially it is actually dextrorotatory. So it undergoes inversion of configuration. So correct answer is option number C here. Yes, 55C is the correct answer. Next we have which of the following is incorrect about cellulose. So if you know cellulose is a polysaccharide, okay, it is a major constituent of cell wall of plant cell. It is a branch chain disaccharide. It is composed of only beta D glucose units. The glycosidic linkage between the two units is found between C1 of one and C4 of the next unit. So yes, let me see which one is the correct answer here. Cellulose, come on, answer this one quickly, students. Crazy, you have to answer incorrect statement, not the correct statement, incorrect one. Yes. Here the answer is it is a branch chain disaccharide. We know that cellulose is a polysaccharide, right? So it is not a disaccharide. So the correct answer has to be option number B, not C, Rahman. Next question number 53. Sucrose is dextrorotatory in nature. After hydrolysis gives glucose and fructose, among which? Just now I discussed. See, sucrose will give you glucose and fructose. Sucrose is dextrorotatory, glucose is dextrorotatory, and fructose is levorotatory. Okay, so I have already answered. You can tell me which one is the correct option here. Yes. Glucose is levorotatory and fructose is dextrorotatory. Glucose is dextrorotatory and fructose is levorotatory. The mixture is levorotatory, both are dextrorotatory. Okay, so now you remember that the levorotatory of fructose is more. Okay, so what happens, overall the mixture is also levorotatory. So what can be the correct statement here? I think it has to be, yes, 53B is correct, 2 and 3. Yes, 2 and 3 is correct, absolutely. Next, 51. Which of the following is the more scientific definition of hormone? Okay, so we know what are hormones. So what is the correct definition of hormones? Okay, so they are extracellular messengers. They always act at distantly located target organs. They are the products of well organized endocrine glands. They are non-nutrient chemicals and that act as intracellular messengers. Which can be the correct definition of this one? Hormones. Yes, can you tell me? Hormones correct definition. Yes, if not now, then it is never. These questions are for mainly designed for PU board, and we have the KSET master stroke series, and those the questions are enough for KSET. Okay, but yes, these questions are also relevant for KSET. Okay, 52D. Yes, absolutely correct. Revana, Rahman, all of you are correct. Moving to 51 question, which of the following bases is not present in DNA? You know DNA is a nucleic acid which has your which has sugar, which has phosphate group and a nitrogenous base, right? So which of the following bases is not present in DNA? Is it adenine, thymine, cytosine and uracil? This is very simple question. All of you might be knowing this one. Easy question. This is easy question. Yes, I want quick answer on this. Yes, Ravana is correct. Uracil is present in RNA. Okay, next, alpha D glucose and beta D glucose differ from each other due to the difference in the carbon atom with respect to. So you know alpha D and beta D glucose are the two anomers of the glucose, right? So where exactly they differ? Whether there is a differentiation in conformation, configuration, number of OH group or the size of hemiacetal ring. So it is conformation or configuration. Yes. What is conformation and configuration? Yes, they differ in configuration. Here all of you have answered it correctly. Yes, 50B is the correct answer. Next, 49. Reduction of glucose by HI suggests that. So you know, to determine the structure of glucose, we have to determine the structure of glucose, we have 5 different reactions, right? 5 reactions are done. So which reaction, when we do reaction with HI, what does it give you? What information does this reaction give you? Yes, students, quickly answer me. 14. Varija, yes. Are you late to the class today? 6 carbon atoms are arranged in the straight chain. Yes. Okay. Next, moving to question number 48. When glucose reacts with bromine water, the main product formed is glucose formed in this reaction. Okay. When glucose reacts with bromine water, the main product is gluconic acid, glyceraldehyde or saccharic acid or acetic acid. Yes, gluconic acid is the correct answer. Gluconic acid is the correct answer. Next, moving to question number 47. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Living systems are made up of various complex biomolecules like carbohydrates, proteins, nucleic acids, lipids, etc. Vitamins and minerals are complex molecules required in high amount in the body. Biomolecules interact with each other and helps in various life processes. Proteins and carbohydrates are essential constituents of our food. So what can be the correct answer here? Very simple question, this one. We know what is vitamins, minerals, right? So yes, 47B is the correct answer. Vitamins and minerals are required in less amount. Okay, next question number 46. Which of the following is a vitamin? Aspartic acid, ascorbic acid, adipic acid and saccharic acid. Which of the following is a vitamin? Yes, B is correct. Ascorbic acid, that is your vitamin C. Okay. Next, moving to question number 45. What is the vitamin B6 is known as? So chemical name of vitamin B6. Okay. So pyridoxine, thiamine, tocopherol or riboflavin. Okay, this is also direct question from your NCERT. So can you answer this one now? Crazy gamers, yes, every day 6 p.m. there will be classes for all, like it is like Tuesday, Monday will be physics, Tuesday will be chemistry, Wednesday will be maths and Thursday will be bio. Okay, 45A is also correct. Pyridoxine is the correct answer, chemical name of vitamin B6. Okay. Next we have cellulose is not digestible by human beings due to the absence of cellulose hydrolyzing enzyme called as. Okay, so which is there, which enzyme hydrolyzes the cellulose? Invertase, zymase, urease or cellulase? 45. Okay. Yes, can we answer this question quickly? Yes, cellulose is correct answer. Varija is correct. Moving to the next question. When cellulose reacts with bromine water, the main product is, already we have discussed this question, right? So this is your gluconic acid. All of you will be knowing. I am not waiting for you because we have already discussed this question. Now coming to 42 question. Starch is a polymer of alpha D glucose, beta D glucose, alpha D fructose and beta D fructose. We know starch is a polysaccharide, so it is a polysaccharide of what? Yes, 43A is the correct answer. Yes, 42A is correct, alpha D glucose. Okay. 41, the vitamin which causes night blindness is, you know, deficiency disease questions are very, very important. Night blindness is caused by vitamin D, vitamin A, E and K. Okay, you have to tell me the correct answer here. Yes, students, come on, all of you have answered this one. 41 question. Yes, vitamin A is the correct answer here. Next 40, vitamin which causes the disease scurvy, very popular disease. It is a disease that happens in the gums of the mouth. So which deficiency causes this diseases? Vitamin D, A, E or C? Yes, very simple question. Yes, students, all of you are correct here. Yes. Next question, let us do quickly. Scurvy is vitamin D. Yes, Revana, Varija, all of you are correct. Question number 39. The number of peptide bonds in tetrapeptide is, you know, this is a formula based question. How many peptide bonds will be present in a tetrapeptide? Tetrapeptide means there are 4 amino acids. Okay, this is one amino acid, one, these are all amino acids. So in a tetrapeptide, how many bonds are present? Yes, very simple question. Yes, 39B is correct. In a tetrapeptide there are 3 peptide bonds. Next, the water soluble vitamin is, this is also very easy question, D, A, E and C. Which is your water soluble vitamin? Water soluble vitamin. Yes, students, you can answer this one quickly. Water soluble vitamin. Yes, Varija is correct. Vitamin C is water soluble, B and C. Next, coming to sucrose. Sucrose is made up of what? Alpha glucopyranose and fructopyranose, alpha glucofuranose, alpha glycofuranose and fructofuranose, alpha glucopyranose and fructofuranose, alpha glucofuranose and fructopyranose. Confusing options are there here, so be very careful, read all the options correctly and then answer. Yes. Take your time, read and then answer. Yes, 37C is correct. Alpha glucopyranose and fructofuranose. Okay, so all of you are correct here again. Next, 36 question. In DNA, the complementary bases are, in DNA the bases are complementary, right? Like what that means? One, if you know the bases on one strand, you can find the bases on the other strand easily. That is called complementary. So which base complementary, which one, that you have to tell. A, T, G and C, U, A, C, U, C, G, A, G, T, C, A, T, C, G and U. Yes, that is correct. Option number A. So if here I have writing like this, then A will always bind with T, T will always bind with A, G will bind with C and C will bind with G. Okay. Next, 35. RNA contains what? Okay, so 36A is correct answer, all of you. Rahman, Chidananda, Janvi, Teju, Dhanyashri, all of you are correct. Next, RNA contains what? Ribose sugar and thymine, ribose sugar and uracil, deoxy sugar and uracil, and deoxyribose sugar and thymine. Very correct. Easy question this one also. You know RNA. Which type of sugar is present here? Yes. No. Varija is wrong here. Rahman is correct. Yes. Ribose sugar and uracil. We know in RNA there is no thymine. It is replaced with uracil. And the sugar present is ribose sugar and not deoxyribose sugar. Next, animal starch is the name given for. So animal, the starch present in the animal is called as glycogen, lactogen, cellulose and maltose. Very easy question this one, students. Yes, 35 all of you have answered correct. Teju, Rahman, Dhanyashri, Vasu. Yes, very good. All of you have done correct. 34A is correct. Glycogen is the correct answer here. All of you have answered again correctly. Next, nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are polymers of nucleotides, polymers of nucleosides, polymers of purine bases through phosphate ester bonds, phosphate ester bonds. What is the correct definition of nucleic acids here? Very easy question, very easy question. Yes, Rahman is correct. Yes, polymer of nucleotide. Okay, so again Teju, Revana, you all are correct here. 33 question is also correct. Now Bhavya also correct. Let's move to 32 question. Cellulose is a linear polymer of, just now we have discussed, cellulose will be a linear polymer of alpha glucose, beta glucose, alpha fructose and beta fructose. Yes, can you answer this one? Easy question, easy and direct. So in this chapter you won't find much difficult or much tricky question. Generally most of the questions are very direct. Yes, 32 Revana, sorry, 32 is A, Revana is correct here. All of you are also saying correct answer, alpha glucose. 31, glucose is an oxidation with nitric acid. So if you do glucose with oxidation with nitric acid, what product you will get? Saccharic acid, gluconic acid, glyceraldehyde and N-hexane. This question can be little tricky, so think and answer me. Yes, all of you are doing really well, students. Can you answer this question? Let me see. Will produce what acid? You have 4 options. Yes, 31A is the correct answer, saccharic acid. Saccharic acid is like this. You have okay, so that is your option number A. Next, which of the following bases is not present in DNA? This is also very simple question. Chidananda, 31 is not B, it is A. With bromine water you will get gluconic acid, with nitric acid you will get saccharic acid. Okay, let's move students, last 30 questions, we'll finish it off fast. Which of the following bases is not present in DNA? Adenine, guanine, thymine and uracil. Very easy question. Yes, uracil is not present in DNA, it is present in RNA. Next, which of the following vitamins are soluble in water? Again, very simple question. There are only 2 vitamins which are soluble in water. So you should be knowing that. Yes, D is the correct answer. Yes, all of you are doing wonderful, students. Very good, very good. Please do not leave this chapter. This is going to be a very scoring chapter. So all of you can get 29B is correct. Vitamin C is the correct answer. Next, 28, which of the following compounds is usually not produced by the human body? Hormones, nucleic acids, vitamins and enzymes. It is not produced in human body, it has to be consumed from outside. Yes, Varija, Dhanyashri, Janvi, Rashmi, all of you are correct here. Yes. Revana, Chidananda, yes, good. Let's go for 28th question. 28 is no, not enzymes, Varija. Yes, C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Vitamin should be taken from outside. Okay. Next, 27, enzymes are regarded as Rahman, yes, if you read aldehydes, ketones from Brahmastra series, that will be more than enough. I can guarantee you that you can follow that series, no doubt in that. Okay, yes. Next question, students, quickly answer. Yes, 27A is correct, biocatalyst. Okay, enzymes are biocatalyst. Next, which of the following is not a fibrous protein? Okay, so you know proteins are of 2 types on the basis of their shape. They are either globular or they are fibrous. Okay, so you have to tell which of the following is not fibrous, means you have to tell which is globular. Keratin, myosin, collagen and albumin. Very simple question. Yes, Varija is again correct. 26, no, Varija is wrong this time, sorry. 26 has to be D. Okay, albumin is the correct answer. Albumin is the correct answer. Not a fibrous protein. Okay, albumin is a globular protein. Okay, so that is why it is D. Why all of you are saying C? I don't get it. Yes, Revana has given correct answer. Well done, Revana. Rashmi also given correct answer. Next, 25. Identify the correct statement. Peptide bond is formed by the loss of water molecule. Protein is made up of only one type of amino acid. Dipeptides consist of same amino acid. Glycyl alanine is a tripeptide. Yes. Correct statement you have to find here. Twenty-fifth A is the correct statement. Yes, peptide bond is formed by the loss of water molecule. Okay, that is correct. You have seen here it is like you have suppose NH2 this side, then you have CH, C double bond OH. Okay, then you have NH2 on this side. Okay, so what will happen? This H2O is removed. Okay, from here H2O is removed and we get CO double bond NH. This bond is formed. Okay, so that is why this is A. Yes, 25th A, all of you are correct. Let's move to 24. Cysteine is or and dash amino acid, acidic, essential, aromatic or sulfur containing. This is important question. Yes, Rahman, Wheatstone bridge is essential. That question was there in your midterm paper, and even it is there in your blueprint model paper, so you can read that concept definitely. Okay, especially you have to read like why Wheatstone bridge cannot be used for electrolytic solutions, what is the problem and what is the solution for that. Okay, 24, no one is giving me the correct answer. 24, this cysteine is a sulfur containing amino acid. Please remember, cysteine is one of the amino acid which has a sulfur group. Okay, 24, D is the correct answer. Dhanyashri has given the correct answer here. Next, 23, which of the following is a neutral amino acid? Glycine, lysine, arginine and histidine. Neutral means it should have equal numbers of NH2 and COH group. Okay, NH2 and COH group should be same in number. 23B. No, Revana is correct. 23A. Okay, these all are basic amino acid. Okay, and glycine is a neutral amino acid. Next, which of the following is a non-essential amino acid? Non-essential amino acid. There are only 9 essential amino acids. You have to tell me out of those, like apart from those 9 amino acids, which is a non-essential amino acid. Non-essential amino acid. Yes, glutamine is correct, Varija is correct, Ajif is correct. Yes, now coming to question number 21, which of the following amino acids are aromatic in nature? Okay, aromatic in nature. So you have to tell methionine, isoleucine, proline and histidine, aromatic nature amino acid. These are certain specific type of amino acids which you should be knowing, like optically inactive and all. 21C. Okay. Aromatic amino acids. Yes, let me see who of you have answered this correctly. Yes, proline, all of you have told proline. Any other answer here? Okay, fine. Proline is the correct answer, option number C here. Okay, next moving to question number 20. Okay, question number 20. Which of the following amino acids is optically inactive? This is also very important question. Glycine, alanine, lysine and valine. Which of the following is optically inactive? Means it doesn't rotate the plane polarized light. It doesn't have a chiral carbon. So very easy question this one, and a typical question. 20A is correct, glycine. Okay, all of you are correct here. Very good. Moving to question number 19 here. Which of the following, the proteins are the polymers of alpha amino acid, beta amino acid, gamma amino acid and delta amino acids? Proteins are the, yes, all of you, question number 20, all of you have answered correct. Varija, Rahman, Revana, Rashmi, Janvi, Ajif, all of you are correct. Okay. 19A, yes, Varija is correct again, alpha amino acids. Okay. Next, cellulose is a saccharide of, cellulose is a dash saccharide, reducing branching chain, beta glucose straight chain and oligosaccharide. Okay, so yes, you can answer this one. 19, all of you are correct. I want the answer for 18. 18C, Varija is again correct. Beta glucose straight chain. Okay, so it is a only polysaccharide which is made of beta glucose units and it has straight chain. Next, question number 17. Which of the following statements is incorrect with respect to starch? Okay, you have to tell the incorrect statement with respect to starch. No dear, 18B is not correct answer. Okay, it is a beta glucose straight chain. It is not a branch chain. Starch is branched and glycogen is branched, but cellulose is a straight chain. Okay, please remember that. With respect is a reducing carbohydrate, it is a polymer of alpha D glucose. It gives blue color with iodine. It consists of branched chains, which is the incorrect statement. Okay, yes, Revna is correct. 17th A, reducing, so it is a non-reducing sugar. Okay. Next, 16th question, sucrose is made up of which of the following monosaccharide units? It is very easy question. You know, sucrose is a disaccharide, so it will have monosaccharide, so you have to guess its monosaccharide correctly. Alpha D glucose, alpha D fructose, alpha D glucose, beta D fructose, beta D glucose, alpha D fructose, beta D glucose and beta D fructose. Yes. 16th question A. Rashmi, yes, I will explain once, just you wait, I will explain, Rashmi. 16th B is the correct answer, alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. Now 17th, what is the question? Which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to starch? Okay, see, starch is a polymer of alpha D glucose, so that is why this statement is correct. It gives blue color with iodines. When starch reacts, there is liberation of iodine, so that is why blue color is formed. This is also correct. It consists of branch chain. There is amylose and amylopectin inside the starch, right? And amylopectin is a branched form. So that is why this is also correct. Now for reducing sugars, we need free aldehyde groups. But in case of any polysaccharide, disaccharide, there is no free aldehyde group. So that is why generally the polysaccharides and disaccharides are non-reducing sugars. So that is why this statement is incorrect. Okay. Moving to next question number 15 here. Yes, yes, the two monosaccharides are joined through a, I have discussed this answer, yes, okay. The two monosaccharides are joined through a dash bond to form a disaccharide. Ionic bond, peptide bond, glycosidic bond or phosphodiester bond. Which type of bond is present between the two monosaccharide units? Yes, 15C is correct, that is glycosidic bond. Okay, so you should remember this one. Next, 14th question. Okay, 14th is the same question, it got repeated, that is C. We'll move to 13th question. Okay, identify the compound from the Harvard projections shown. So there is a Harvard projection here. You have to find the correct structure of this one. Okay, what will be the correct structure here? Is it alpha D glucopyranose, beta D glucopyranose, alpha D glucofuranose or beta D glucofuranose? Yes, this is very simple question. Yes, 13A is correct, alpha D gluco. You can see easily OH is down, so that has to be alpha, and it is a 6-membered ring, so that is a glucopyranose. Okay. Next, 12th question. The alpha D glucose and beta D glucose isomers of glucose are known as what? Enantiomers, stereoisomers, anomers and glycomers. Okay, Janvi, I will include assertion reason questions as well. Okay. Okay. 12th question, there C, anomers is the correct answer here. You know, at first position, at any one position, if there is at the carbon number 1, if there is difference in configuration, then we call it as anomers. Next, question number 11, the reaction of glucose with acetic anhydride confirms the presence of how many hydroxy groups in glucose? How many hydroxy groups are there? Yes, 11th question, 5 is the correct answer. There are 5 hydroxy groups. Next, question number 10. The reaction of glucose with which of the following proves the presence of an aldehydic group? So, which reaction or the reaction of glucose with what will tell you that it has an aldehyde group? Potassium iodide, hydroxyl amine, bromine water or acetic anhydride? Yes, question number 10, 11C, all of you are correct here. 10C. Yes, Revana is correct, bromine water. Okay, so with hydroxylamine, it tells you that there is a carbonyl group. It can be aldehyde or ketone, but the aldehyde confirmation is given by bromine water. Okay, last 9 questions, students. Let's rock here. Which of the following monosaccharide is a ketohexose? Means there will be a ketone functional group and there will be 6 carbons because there is hexose. It is glucose, galactose, fructose or mannose. Ketohexose. Ketohexose means it has to be 6 carbons should be present. 9C, fructose, very good. You know fructose has 6 carbons and it has a ketone group, so it is ketohexose. Next, which of the following is a non-reducing sugar? So always remember, disaccharides are non-reducing in general. So you have galactose, you have glucose, you have fructose and you have sucrose. So which is non-reducing here? Yes, D is the correct answer. Sucrose is non-reducing sugar. Very good. 7. Sucrose consists of which of the following monosaccharide units? Yes, we have solved similar questions. Yes, very simple one. You can answer fructose and galactose, fructose and glucose, galactose and glucose, glucose and glucose. Yes, very good, students. I can find so many, all of you are answering almost correct answers. 7th one, B. Yes, fructose and glucose is the correct answer. We have discussed this many times. Next, last 6 questions. Which of the following disaccharides gives 2 same monosaccharides units on hydrolysis? You know, when you hydrolyze a polysaccharide or disaccharide, you get its monosaccharide units, right? So the question here is telling which of the following, if you do hydrolysis, you will get same monosaccharide units. Yes, anyone? 6A, very good. Maltose is the correct answer. It gives you 2 glucose units. Sucrose will give you glucose and fructose. Lactose will give you glucose and galactose. Okay. Next, question number 5. Identify the monosaccharide from the following. So, which of the following is a monosaccharide? Deoxyribose, sucrose, maltose and fructose. Okay. Yes, students, last 5 questions. Let us do it quick so that we can go and study for our other exams as well. Okay. Five, monosaccharide. Yes, fructose is correct. Monosaccharide, all of you have given correct answer. Moving to question number 4. Which of the following is not a polysaccharide? Okay, not a polysaccharide. Cellulose, sucrose, starch or glycogen. Not a polysaccharide. Yes, all of you have given 5th question correctly here. Shri Hari, Bhavya, Rashmi, Chidananda, Janvi, Bhavya, Varija. Yes. Now coming to Kishan. Kishan M has given 4th answer correctly. Sucrose is the correct answer here. That is because it is a disaccharide. Okay. Next, question number 3. Which of the following carbohydrates is not a sugar? So generally carbohydrates are called sugar because they are sweet in taste, but those carbohydrates which are not sweet in taste are called as non-sugar. Okay, or they are not called as sugar. So glucose, fructose, lactose and cellulose, which is a carbohydrate but not a sugar. So that means it taste should not be sweet. Yes, polysaccharides are generally not sweet in taste, so that is why they are not sugar but they are carbohydrates. So option number D. Yes, second last question. Which of the following carbohydrates does not have the formula of C12H22O11? Very, very simple question this one. Very easy question actually. Yes. You know this monomer unit, right? You have to have 12 carbons, which is not having 12 carbons in this. Very easy one. Although you do not know the structures, you can still guess it. No, Rahman, 2C is wrong. C, no, no, no. No, all of you are wrong. Kishan is very well done. Kishan is correct here. Galactose, if you know, galactose has only 6 carbon, right? How can it have this formula? C12H22O11. Okay, so option number A is correct answer here. All are wrong except Kishan. Okay, first question now. Which of the following carbohydrates does not satisfy the formula CXH2OY? Does not satisfy this formula. Which one will not satisfy? Dhanashri, allolactose is also a kind of sugar. Okay, that is also a kind of sugar, but that is not a part or does not have the structure or formula of C12H22O11. Okay. So basically allolactose is a disaccharide. Okay, so it will definitely have 12 carbons. 1B, all of you are correct. Deoxyribose is the correct answer here. Okay, that's all in this class, students. So yes, we have discussed all the questions. Almost 70 questions are there. So can you... Okay, Rahman, in my next video I will explain it. Okay, do not worry. Okay, so now students, you can put down your scores in the comment section. How much you have got, how much did you score out of 70. And yes, we have started our KSET Master Stroke series, so please be ready at 9 AM, 11 AM and 3 PM for the classes for KSET, where we are doing one-shot revision videos, we are doing live classes on question solving. So this will be really effective for your KSET preparation. Okay, so do not worry, we will be there every time for you to solve all your problems. All the series are there. So many more things are coming in future as well for your board exams and for your KSET exams. So yes, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, so yes, Janvi, I will add assertion reason questions as well. Okay, fine. That's all, students. See you soon in the next class, and thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe the channel, and please take care of yourself and prepare hard, because we are just left with hardly 20 days for our exam, right? 24 days are just left. So it's time to really push yourself to work hard and to get the top marks in your board exams. Okay, that will help you to get top ranks in your KSET exam as well. So all the best and thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.